Whew. Little late night stream action. Doesn't mean we gotta be quiet. I like this song. It's been a good mix of. It's on shuffle. It's been a good mix of shuffle songs in this playlist past week or two. You already know what I'm about to change. Probably have a couple late streams over the weekend if I get to it. Got some family visiting, so kind of hanging out with them, and then kind of been the plan. Oh god. But if I'm able to, I'm there. Okay. So this game seems interesting. This game seems interesting. It seems to me, I haven't played it yet. It seems to me almost like a scrap mechanic, space engineers type of combo. It seems like a combo. I don't know. I think it's $20 on Steam. It's in early access. I got the key for free. So, but I'll still give an honest review as always. So we'll see. Just doing the tutorial right now. We're gonna see how it is. Fucko! What do you mean I hate you? You doing more Tarkov? Rep dirt! I'm waiting for my power to go out. The storm's really bad right now. And it's hella hot. It's hella hot, Paco. No text back. Oh god, sorry. Paco, you texted me good morning, and it's literally like 2 in the afternoon my time, so sometimes I get caught up and I forget to write back. That's my bad. If it makes you feel any better, I do that to even my own family. What's up, Nate? Alright, I want to see how this is. I'm hoping this is a Goof Troop game. I'm hoping this is a Goof Troop game. The sense is still a wee bit high. A little bit more. Got 100 frames. I don't know. I'm in the tutorial right now. I don't know if there is a... We'll find out, I guess. Let's see, what if I hit home base? Apollo! Feedback? What? Oh, I'm already getting distracted. I don't think there's multiplayer yet. We'll find out. Hard to get distracted. It seems like you can kind of like grab stuff and like rotate things around. I guess I don't really know what the backstory is, but like when you grab things, it seems like it kind of just turns to, so you can like push it in and out. Shift you can roll it like this. Control, turn it like that. What does this do? Oh, okay, that drives that. Okay, R. Switch to solid. So I guess some stuff is like plasma, and you can change it to a solid. Pinball going crazy. What the hell was that? Oh my god, that's a blurb. Jesus. Apollo. Was that you, Apollo? Was that you or was that Paco? Oh my god, that was you, Apollo. Hold on, let me put this in. Friggin' Apollo. Oh my god. Okay, so R, so I could like freeze it. Okay. Do not touch. You know I'm gonna touch it. Oh! Oh! It's like a drone. Okay. Show advanced actions. Undo, okay. Switch to frame. It's a solid. Dock. Oh. Whoa! I look under the hood? What's under there? Alright. Alright. Can I play the demo of Demonologist? Sure.
Oh
my god.
That is not true.
Who told me to play that? Someone else told me to play that, by the way. I feel like someone told me to play it. Oops. Someone said they wanted me to play it, but they didn't want to... Someone said that they didn't want to play it, but they wanted to watch me do it because they were too scared to play it. Someone told me that the other day. Is it that scary? And is it multiplayer or is it multiplayer or is it single player? Are you join the Discord? Hell yeah, dude. Thank you, man. And police sim? That sounds like nothing could go wrong. Oh, that's cool. Okay, E. Friction? Control whether the lamp is on or off. I can't do anything. Oh, okay, I can do this. Oh, okay. Let's go here. Q button. Okay, connect two nodes together by following the example. Okay, so this is how I'm assuming you'll be able to maybe do some automation. Maybe you could route buttons to multiple things at the same time. I actually kind of like this if it's on a big scale. It does, Gabriel. It seems like a lot. This is actually like, I'm trying to think of a game that actually does this like this. You guys would probably know better than me because you play a lot of these types of things, but could you imagine like having button switches and everything, and instead of, well, okay, like Scrap Mechanic has that tool, right? The wire tool, but it's in space. Like this is actually, I feel like this makes a lot of sense just from like a flow chart type of thing, where you just have a whole page and you could like route how floors work in between each other. You know, you could turn lights on for a whole floor or multiple floors, or like you could probably do some crazy stuff in this type of format. I hope it's this maybe I hope it gets kind of crazy. We'll see. What? Selena Pope! Hey, Nate got it! Thank you, Selena. Appreciate you for the gifted membership. You didn't have to do that. Appreciate you. Yeah. You got hacked? Oh, okay. Hey, it happens. I slipped yesterday. So look at all the different properties you have on this. But how do I turn... Okay, it's space, so I turn this on. How do I adjust these? Like, this click doesn't work.
Why?
Target speed? 5. It's that scary, dude. Wow. Okay, I'll tell Dirty. I'll do it next week because I'm probably just gonna do some solo stuff over the weekend, depending on when I stream. But if I can meet up with him, I don't like to schedule plans with people knowing that I don't have a set time. Like I could stream whenever. So like if it happens, 100%, Selena. Yeah, we could do. I don't know how many people. TGX, do you know how many people can we do? Can we do 4? Can we do Selena, Paco, Dirty, and I? 4? Perfect. Okay, I'm actually gonna be. I'll actually message you, Selena. It's basically 5. Okay. Wolverine, how's the stream diagnosis stuff, and how's your hand? I don't know how to change these values. I can't click on anything in here.
Yar matey.
Yar matey. I can't click on anything in here. Okay. Progress report. The engineering playground's first iteration is done and ready for testing. Excited to see the junior engineers go through it. Watch camera feed. Oops. Okay, that's save. That's good to know. Oh. What did I do? Do some bussing with the... Yeah, I'm hella scared. Oh, I'm back in the... Okay. Back here. I guess F1 just saves and exits the tutorial. Starblade Apex again. You gonna carry me? So what do we got here? You can focus on the keyboard with the F key to start typing into it. Focus mode. Okay. But I can't see now. Look around, hold Alt. Okay. There's a hidden message from brave engineers that press random buttons. Did you find the cave of developers yet? I feel like they... Jesus.
That is not true.
I feel like they knew I was going to just hit random things. So there's a cave we got to go find. I'm going a little slow. I see more stuff down here. It's just a dead end. This seems like a pretty big area to explore. Okay. A little collab. Yeah, I'll give it a shot, see how it is. And then... it's been around for a little bit. Blurp's been around for a little bit. I just, I finally gave in, and because they were messaging me about it and asking me questions, I was like, I should probably do it. So it was probably like a week or two ago, and I just put everything to free just to see how it was. But I gave them some feedback. I really hope they add some things to YouTube. I hope they add some things, because like I'd like to have members only stuff, right? And then it's hard to integrate. Like, can't you just do Blurp right through Twitch? Like, can't you do it through channel points and stuff? Like, I'd love to be able to do it directly in here somehow. And I just don't think YouTube's just driving me crazy. Yeah. They're never going to do something like that. So I hope there's an easier way. Because they also have, what do they have? They have, what do they call it? Walk-ins? Like walk-in sounds? So you could set sound. So like, Selena, when you come in, a certain blurp would play, and I would know that you just entered the chat. Like, they have, I don't think they have that for YouTube yet. But they need to.
Emotional damage!
Yeah, they'd have something like that. That's so loud. It's so loud. There, Kick literally comes in, copies Twitch, and everyone runs over to it because it looks the same, and they're talking about the 95-5 split, and YouTube still can't fix their chat. I don't understand. Mohammed, 3 months, dude. Good morning, man. I hope you're gonna have a killer day. Go to Kick. I was thinking about doing a stream over there. What I'd probably do is do what everyone else did, right? Like I'd tell you guys about it, and then we'll do a stream like early, and then we'll switch over to Kick because I can't like redirect it. But I'd like to, if I could at least get like 20 of you guys. You know, like right now we got 19 or something like that, 19, 20 people. If I could get all of you over there to watch, that'd be pretty clutch, because then we could probably get like, I don't know what partner is, I don't know what affiliate is, but we could probably hit affiliate pretty quick. I'm tempted to just try it. But it's going to come down to what you guys want, to be honest, because it really doesn't matter to me. If you guys are all on YouTube and don't want to go to Kick, I mean, the Kick is run by a gambling company. You know, if people don't want to do that, I'm going where you guys want me to go. So we'll see. I'm tempted. I'm tempted to try it. Does this work? Whoa. So I could change the day. Okay, that's kind of cool. Doc. Going for a ride? Like I'm sitting in a seat weird. 75 followers for affiliate. That should be pretty easy. I wonder if they have like I'd be tempted to be like, hey, like I know Twitch partners can carry over, but what about YouTube partners? What if people that are like, I'm a YouTube partner? Would I get special treatment for being a partner over here. I mean, it's pretty difficult to get YouTube partner. I actually didn't even think about that because I know they were doing it with Twitch partners. At them on Twitter. Maybe I should try. There's so many things with YouTube streaming that's like annoying. Like I actually put in a request for like Lurk It, right? It's this website where you can request keys. And the thing that Keymailer does this and a lot of those other sites do it, they have it broken down by, okay, you link your Twitch or you link your YouTube, right? So obviously I'm linking my YouTube. But when they'll have requirements, like paid sponsorship requirements. And it'll say 20 or 15 average CCV for Twitch. And then it'll say like 10,000 views per video on like 10,000 views per video for YouTube. And then I'll literally get I'll get denied the sponsorship even though we hold right now for the past like I think 60 days we're holding around like 30 for average. It's gone down a little bit lately, but it kind of fluctuates, but we're holding like a 30 average CCV. So how come they can't pull my CCV from YouTube? I'm getting denied for stuff that I should easily be able to get just because I don't have a Twitch account linked. That's what's kind of annoying. If you're a Twitch partner, you can stream on YouTube. You just can't stream at the same time. You can't multi-stream. If you're a Twitch partner that's signed to Twitch, like you have a contract with Twitch, then yeah, they're not going to let you stream anywhere. But that's with anything. Like if I was like Tim the Tap Man or Ludwig, you know, they have a signed contract with YouTube. They're not going to be able to compete and do a different. I need music.
I traveled 500 miles to give you my seed.
Lumberjack?
You know, they're not gonna be able to, but YouTube lets you do whatever you want because they actually care, in a way. You know, they actually kind of care. Okay, here's a building area. Okay, now we're into some stuff here. How to scale, build, rotate, attach, paint, pin. Let's build a flashlight, swall base, and a plasma cannon. Holy hell. Okay. Let's build a flashlight.
Alright, we're gonna build a flashlight.
Oh, they're talking to me.
Start by opening up the component library by pressing tab.
They're talking to me.
And in here we're gonna go into basic components tab.
Nakari said she was a YouTube partner, or she just did that with Twitch?
Now before placing it down, I want to use the scroll wheel to cycle the
It's a crypto bro scam?
Like that. Place that down with left mouse button.
I don't know about that,
as
but
you can see, it's a bit big, so we're gonna scale it down in diameter. So let's.
wait, I gotta rewind. I already missed what they said.
I want the rod, which is here.
I don't know if I'd go far to say it's a crypto scam. Is it if we're gonna be honest, is it a way to funnel more people into gambling? Probably. You know, they're running it's expensive to run a streaming platform. It's not a very profitable thing to do. So, to give up that much of a split and they still don't have that many ads, it's kind of hard. Yeah, they would do that for Twitch, but I don't know if they would do that for YouTube. You know? I don't know. It's just the thing, first off with Quick, there's a lot of view botting over there, right? Which doesn't matter because they're not going to allow that to happen. So they'll fix that for sure. But there's a lot of people view botting because there's so few people. You could pick a game and easily, like if I was playing like Marauders or I played something that wasn't like COD, I'd easily be in the top because there's no one streaming. It's like 5 people streaming. So if we picked a game, we could easily start getting into the top of like suggested lists pretty easily for us if we're playing things like how many people are playing Hunt Showdown over there, Scrap Mechanic, like these random games that we're playing. No one's playing there. So it would be easier to kind of, if people were looking for some random games, we'd probably show up. Especially if we have 20, 30 people. You'd probably get people on Kick going like, why does this guy have 20, 30 people? I'm sure there's people playing Tarkov over there. I'm just not a big... I'm not a big fan of, like not a big fan of the whole. I think there's another motive going on. I don't know if they'll be around forever, but I think the people that say there's people that had like no viewers and went there and they got viewers and they got a lot of gifted subs. If they went back somewhere else, I don't think those people are following. You know, I think the key is if you're good, you're gonna get it. You're gonna create a following. If you're dedicated, you're good, and you're entertaining, people are gonna come. Doesn't matter where you stream, unless it's like Facebook, which is trash. But okay, let me lock it in here. I'm sorry, I went on a rant.
Library by pressing tab.
Okay,
And
first tab.
Here we're going to go into Basic Components tab and find the rod. It's here. Let's click on that. Now, before placing it down, I want to use the scroll wheel.
How do I
Cycle the
see?
rotation so that it's
How could I
facing
see this?
like that.
If
Place it down with the left mouse
how do I
button
see this
so
if
that
it
it's
takes up the screen?
Placing it down, I want to use the scroll. It's here.
So we're gonna go for
that.
rod.
Now, before placing it down, I want to use the scroll wheel to cycle the rotation so that it's facing me, like that.
Okay.
Place that down with the left mouse button. And as you can see, it's a bit big, so we're gonna scale it down in diameter. So let's press Control and hold Control to start scaling. Now, I need to select diameter, so I'm gonna press W, that's height, and W again. That's diameter. I'm gonna use the scroll wheel to scale it down
wow.
to 0.13. There it is.
Holy
Alright.
hell! So you
Press
can,
next.
so you can literally, you can do a lot with this. So you could actually get a basic, just like pipe sort of component, and then you can change diameter, length. You could change your rotation, scale of size, like scales. Even it looks like they have like weight on here too. So I guess you could, that could potentially be important for like overall weight of everything. I gotta make an overlay that's just like lumber keeps it real, like something like that. This is actually kind of nuts. Okay, let's see.
Component, which is the cone. So open up the component.
Oh, you can build a
library again,
tank, Legion.
and we're gonna find the cone. I think it's up here.
Cone.
There it is. And as you can see, it's a little bit too big, but it's also facing the wrong way. So we're gonna fix the rotation by cycling the sockets with the
That
scroll
is
wheel.
not true.
There we go.
Okay.
And we're gonna place that down there. But as you can see, it's a little bit too big.
It is a little bit too big.
So we're gonna scale that down again with
Control.
and just scale it down 50% with the scroll wheel. There's also, this could be a little bit inside the rod, and we have a tool for that.
Inside the rod.
With Control
Whoa.
Shift, we have offset. So with
Offset mode.
I can drag this into the rod.
Wow.
By minus 100%. So that's looking better. Now we need to do is
Dude.
add the light to it. So we're going to open up the components library. We're going to find out what kind of light sources we have by typing in light in the search. So we have a few ones, but let's go with a spotlight. We're going to test that. Now the light could be maybe a little bit stronger. So let's open up the properties editor by pressing E.
Properties.
And then
Okay,
here
now
you
I can
find
select these things.
intensity, and you see it's set to 50%. Let's drive that up to 100%. The same with range. Let's go for 20. And angle. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's go to 100. Why not? Now you can play along with the color as well if you want, but I'm going to leave it as is. Alright, so you can kind of see that it's already making some light here, but there's no way for me to control it. So let's add two more components, the switch and the controller. Let's open up the component library again with tab. And we're going to go into behavior. And the switch is here at the bottom, so let's click on that. We're going to place that down there. It's a little bit too big, so we're going to scale that down as well. Control, scroll wheel, down to, let's say, 40%. We're going to do the same with the controller. Controller is somewhere.
Can I get it
it's
lower? I
further
can't.
up here in the list, but you can also always search for it. Controller, there it is. Click on that. I'm going to place that down here. Now it's facing the, it's not really nice, it's facing the wrong direction, so let's start by rotating it by holding shift and left mouse button, moving it to 90 degrees. And we're going to scale that down as well. Control scroll wheel down to, let's say, 40% as well. Now all we have to do is open up these skets and make the switch control the light. So Q to open the skets. Now we're not going to need this ticker node. We do need the spotlight.
Okay, what did I just miss?
Ticker node. Q to open the skets.
Q.
Now we're not going to need this ticker node.
Wow. Okay.
We do need the spotlight.
So I take the spotlight. I take the switch.
And the switch. And here I just want to toggle, whenever I toggle the switch, I toggle the spotlight. You can play with on and off.
Toggle the spotlight.
This is the most simplest way of doing it. Alright, so let's close that with Q, and let's switch the state so that it's in there.
Let's go change it to nighttime. We can build a plasma cannon. It's on the list. We're gonna build that next. Is it here? How do I just touch it? I guess. Interpreting something, move it or pin it. Switch to solid. Oops. Dude. This is This is actually kind of like a game changer. Now, how complicated this can get is definitely, we're straddling a fine line of being too annoying, like too much, and just right. I feel like it's a fine line, but this is actually, my head's already spinning thinking of all the things we could make and do. By just changing scales of different items. That's nuts. Interpenetrate. Interesting, Jake. It's possible. It came out on the 30th. It only came out a few days ago. So maybe people do have it? Have you played it? This is my first time loading it up, so... I'd imagine that's gonna be probably their plan.
That was a nice bounce. Alright, so it's off. I have to switch that on. And if I grab it again, you can see I now have a working flashlight. And whenever I don't want to use it, I just let go and hit the off button again. Alright, that's our flashlight.
That is crazy.
Alright, we're gonna build a flashlight.
Alright, I don't want
by
to
opening
do
up
this
the
again.
Component library by pressing tab.
Okay, so let's do a small base now.
Alright, we're gonna build a small base. Now to get started, we're gonna open up the component library by pressing tab. And we're gonna go into the
I can throw stuff.
and find the observation room right here. And click on that. Just tab library by pressing tab.
Okay, let's see what this is.
And we're gonna go into the structures tab and find the observation room right here.
Observation room.
And
I like how you can just search here.
Grass,
Oh god.
like so, with the left mouse button. And as you can see, the room has a few holes in them. Now those are to extend your base in any direction you want, even upwards. But I just want to close them off for this build. So let's open up the component library. You can see I can add connectors to it, I can add more rooms, but I just want to focus on these blockers. So let's start with this default blocker here. Now you can see I can snap it to these yellow areas here. And I want to close this hole in the floor, but I don't want to just attach it to the left mouse button. I want to attach and clone with the middle mouse button. What that does is it places the block here, but I'm still holding it. So
gotcha.
Quickly go to the next one, and this one I want to attach with left mouse button. So now it's gone from my hands here. So
gotcha.
let's do that again to close these 3 holes here with the window blocker. So tab again to open the component library, and we're going to select the blocker window. These areas highlight with yellow, and I'm just going to go here, middle mouse button for this one, middle mouse button again, and finally up here, left mouse button to attach. Alright, so we've closed these off. Now I want to close this hole off with just a door to make an entrance to our base. So open up the component library again, and we're going to select
Really?
the door.
Okay, that's actually really good to know.
As you can see,
Jay, I'll have to check it out.
Right into place. All I do is place it down with left mouse button. And now we're here inside our small base. We're closed off from the outside. So let's add some way for us to exit the base. Let's start with adding a button. So open up the component library again with tab. And we're going to press behavior. And we're going to find the button and add that here. Now I need to control these as well. So I need to open the component library again. And find the controller. And let's add that here. Alright, so now I need to control this button to open this door. So let's open up the sketch by pressing Q. Now I'm not going to need this ticker.
The button,
and as
then
you
the
can
door.
see, I have a few of these gray nodes here. Those are the structures.
Pressed.
But I'm only going to focus on the door and the button. So what I want the button to do is when I press the button, it opens the door.
Makes sense.
Alright, so let's exit the sketch with Q. And let's switch the state of this base to simulate a state with R.
Oh, it opens the other way.
Let's press the button. There you go. The door opens. I can now exit.
Okay.
But the door doesn't open. No, the door doesn't close.
How do I grab just
Now,
detach?
something about that.
There we go.
I need to exit. I need to enter the sketch again. With Q. Now, what I want to do here is I want to have
A timer or
node
something?
in between here that handles the closing part. So separate these out a little bit. Let's press spacebar to open the node library.
Oh my
Let's
god.
search for the timer node. Here we go. Let's add that in between. What I want the timer node to do is when I press.
That's what I'm saying, Jay. Like it's really, it seems awesome, but man, is there like it's a fine line. There's like a fine line that they're riding, but so far I feel really good. This is the part that's amazing to me right here. This is the part that does it. Like the other stuff's cool, but yeah, node-based programming in this type of view, this is crazy. Like this type of structure should be in every type of game where you have any sort of automation availability. You know what I mean? Like imagine this in Astroneer, where you could just click on something and be like, okay, let me see all the nodes available. You know, you could put in timer blocks. I'm sure they have like, was it spacebar? So there's end or stuff, right? Dude, look at this. Vectors, text arrays, Boolean commands, event listener. There's an event listener. Yeah, you can. Yeah. I love KSP. I'm a little upset with the second one with some of the bugs I ran into, but yeah, this is nuts. There's a full-on event listener. gates, logic. There it is, Lua. Because, like, this is what space engineers needs. Because space engineers you can make those scripts, right? Like, you can program inside those consoles and then, like, run your scripts for things. This is what this needs. It needs this type of thing. Repeater, sequencer. Yeah, this is just the one. This is just the execution flow section. Image exporter, image generator, UI buttons. Counters. PID controller. Oh my god. I need to, like, DM Uthris, like, immediately. Because I'm too dumb to probably go through most of this stuff. He's probably going to be able to... Yeah, now it makes sense. Stationers has it? There's some crazy mods I was looking at today, Jesus. There's some crazy ones. That makes me want to play again. I put it down for a bit because I was trying to build a space station, and docking it was just such a pain in the butt. Program ChatGPT, yeah. Okay, let's see.
Down for, let's say, 2 seconds. Starts.
What do we got to do here?
What I want the timer node to do is when I press the button, it starts counting down for, let's say, 2 seconds, and once it's done, it clicks down is when I press the button, it starts counting down for, let's say, 2 seconds, and once it's done, it closes the door.
Seconds.
So let's try that out by pressing Q.
Holy.
And I press the button 1, 2. There you go. Alright, so now I can press the button, exit, and it closes the door after me. But now I'm locked out. Alright, so I need a way to get in.
Let's
now,
put something...
do the same way. I could have a button that opens it. But I mean, that would let anyone in. So let's do something different here. Let's open up the component library.
You know, I haven't played Roblox, like, in a while. Roblox probably can do... You probably can do some crazy stuff, right? How come no one's talking about this game? Are they, and I'm just not listening? Because this is nuts.
What are you doing
in my swamp? Yeah, I know they had, like, people make entire games, but I wasn't sure, is it like an editor? Or is it, like, inside... I don't even know, to be honest. Let's see what this guy wants to do.
I'm going to scroll down in the behavior tab for the keypad. For the keypad, I'm going to add here, left mouse button.
Keypad.
And what I want the keypad...
I'm doing it opposite, I know.
This
should be on the other side.
Here, I want to drag out the keypad. And I want a logic node to compare whatever number I enter with the keypad. Compare that with the password that we set, and depending whether I insert the right password or the wrong password, it opens a door or does nothing. So let's open up the node library again, and we're gonna look for.
And I just want to say, this is early access. This game came out 6 days ago. It has Lua scripting, yeah. Make this game in the game. Imagine. Oh, you're not vibing with it, Steppenwolf? It's $20, I think, on Steam. This is 100% worth it. It's worth it for this alone. I'm gonna have to play this now. I'm gonna have to do some time. I'm gonna have to put some time in off stream. She was brutal. Oh no. I'm gonna have to put some time in off stream and like study this. I may have to make this. This is maybe what I should make a video on. Maybe I should try to figure some stuff out and make a video on it. Maybe I finally figured it out. Get ahead of it. I don't know how many videos are out there. Watch, there's probably a million. It's gonna be a Jack Frags video on it in 2 hours. Yeah, look at this. This is crazy. Oh wait, it's space.
Compare the note here. We're gonna do number.
Yeah, they are, but and this isn't like a foreign concept how they have this drawn out, you know? It's just I feel like there's not many games that do this in this way. They have a map here. You can make labels. You make variable manager, interface. Jesus. I feel like you don't see this in games of this type of thing, you know? Maybe that is one of their downfalls. Maybe they went a little bit too far. Maybe they went a little bit too far for the average person. I don't see the average gamer jumping in here and messing with this. You code for a living? Okay, yeah.
Into V1, and we want the whenever I press send, it's gonna output the number into V1, and I want it to compare it at the same time. And what I want to compare it to is this V2 value. Now you see, it's not going to compare it to, it's going to compare it to none right now, but I can change that with this yellow button here. If I click on that, I can select the data type, what I want to compare it to, and in this case, it's a number. So I click apply, and let's select the integer, and we're going to type in our super secure password of 1234. Click apply, and if it passes that, we want the door to open. Let's try this out. Let's exit the scans with Q and switch the state to with R. And if I do 1, 2, 3, 4 and send,
Jesus,
the door opens. There we go.
But now we need to hook it back into that timer node.
The wrong password. It would be nice to know that it's wrong. So let's add another component to it. Let's open up the component library with tab. We're going to add this component, LCD.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to add it on top here. It's a little bit too big, so let's scale it down to say 50%. What I'm doing here is I'm pressing Control, and I'm scaling it down with the mouse wheel. Let's scale the numpad to 80%. There's a gap here, so I'm going to detach this with right mouse button and attach it again with left mouse button. That looks better. Now,
I don't care about the sizes.
Here is, let's open the sketch again with Q. I'm going to drag the LCD node out into here. Message to be sent to the LCD. And the same thing for the...
Yeah, they have to realize that, but that's the one thing that makes me worried. Like, did they cut out too much? Did they cut out too many people? Is there gonna be enough? I think what they need to focus on is the fact that they already have all this stuff is nuts. So now maybe they're gonna focus more on like, let's make some things where you know, opening up a door, all you got to do is just like 2 steps. Like maybe make a simple version, like a dumbed down version. You know, if they could just make another interface that's like a simple version or something, where someone can just create a keypad with only like 2 clicks or something, like set. But I mean, I'm sure there's gonna be mods for that. I'm sure people are gonna start putting mods out because of all these Lewis scripting. You could probably just make like a little interface in here where it's just like, oh, I need a door. You just drag a door over, you put your password, all this stuff, it's all built in. That's exactly what we're saying, Gabriel. Yep, we're on the same page, bro. That's what I'm thinking. If they could just come up with like a little bit better flow for just simple basic stuff that 90% of the player base is going to use, then it's like, okay, someone can build a base and then they start learning things. That's what's nice about like scrap mechanic and space engineers. Like, you could set up all these automation things and Endor gates and you can see crazy stuff. But you don't need to do that just to survive. You can still do some basic things. So the fact that they have this whole backbone in place already in early access is kind of cool. Now I'm wondering, okay, maybe they put in like a simple version where they can just be like, I just want a keypad. I want this. I want that. I agree. They needed to do that. They need to do that. It's like so hot out, dude. It is freaking hot. I don't have my air on. Okay. What's I doing? Let's see.
I'm gonna drag the LCD node out into here, and whenever the comparator passes, I want a message to be sent to the LCD, and the same thing for the failed state. So what I want to pass, currently it's gonna pass none, because this is the payload of pass and payload of fail. But again, I have this data type button here, and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select text, click apply, and tell it that this is the correct value, and this is the wrong value, or wrong password. So let's try that out. Q to close and R to switch state. So if I do the wrong password 4, 5, 6, 7, send, it's going to say wrong.
It should be a prepackaged component. It should just be all packaged. Fahrenheit, dude. What it's like? It was like almost. I'm in Jersey. It was almost. It was like 85 today. And then it poured. There's like a crazy storm going on, and it's still like in the 60s. It's still in the 60s. Okay.
And if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, send, it's going to say. So if I do the wrong password 4, 5, 6, 7, send, it's going to say wrong. And if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, send, correct. Nice. Now,
wait.
I have the same problem as with the button before. The door does
What I
now.
missed? I forgot to connect it, right?
Or wrong.
Yeah. I gotta connect.
This is the wrong.
It would help if I actually.
Or wrong password. So let's try that out. Q to close.
It'd help if I actually connected it, right?
R to switch state. So if I do the wrong password 4, 5, 6, 7, send, it's going to say wrong. And if I do 1, 2, 3,
Later, Legion.
4, send.
Have a good night, bro. Appreciate you, man.
Nice. Now, I have the same problem as with the button before. The door doesn't close. So that's an easy fix. Let's open up the sketch again. Now whenever I pass, whenever the comparator passes and it opens the door, I also want to send another connection to start with the timer.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it to here.
Now if you don't care for this line to be going through here, it looks a little bit ugly.
Can you put bends in it?
You can left click on the connection.
Oh my
to
god.
create this pin so we can clean up the sketch a little bit. Let's do it here as well.
Oh my god,
So
dude.
better.
Gabriel.
And let's close the sketch with Q.
Gabriel, this may be.
Now when I press the button,
Dude.
it's gonna open and close.
I was waiting for them to. I was waiting for him. For some reason, I was waiting for him to be like, too bad, just get over it. I should have known. Like the amount of times I've used Vizio for stuff, Like, oh my god, dude. Yo, this is like, if they put in those prepackaged kind of things for basic materials and basic components, this is a game changer. Yeah. It's a little messy now, but yeah, like, this is an absolute... I think this is a game changer, to be honest. I'm not saying it has anything, like, crazy above and beyond what other stuff has, but it's definitely... It feels really good for early access, the amount of things we can mess around with. It is, Max, but I think, again, if it's the key is they have to tap into the general public with prepackaged stuff. Once they get that, I think they're good. And it should be easy to do. Yep. But I mean, how many times have we seen early access games that just felt like, ugh. Michael Dang, thank you, man. You keep it up. How many times there's been so many early access games where it's just like, ugh. It's the money grab. You could just feel money grab off the rip.
And let's go outside again here. Let it close. And if I do 4, 5, 6, 7, it's in here.
I mean, I should have put this outside. I get that.
And let's go outside again here. Let it close. And if I do 4, 5, 6, 7, it's wrong. And if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, it opens. I enter and it closes. Boof. Good job, us. Now, you're free to add to this base whatever you want. You can extend it with a connector in another room. You can even affect the windows here. Let's actually do that just as a parting gift here. Let's open up the component library and we're gonna find the knob. It's actually handily here. So click on that, add that to the
Talk about security. You get in there, it's like, we got you in there, now you're not getting out.
Enter the sketch with Q. We're going to create some space here, hold this up, and we're going to drag out the knob, and we're going to drag out the observation room.
Wait, what are we doing?
Out the knob. And so click on that, add that to the base, and we're going to...
I don't know how busy you are, Gabriel, but if we ever do some sort of lumberyard community thing here and you're down, we can make some fun stuff. I'm totally down. You let me know, dude. Hit up the flip phone, bro. Get a real life programmer in here. Probably make some crazy stuff. So what are we doing now? Let me see.
It opens, I enter, and it closes. Boof. Good job, us. Now,
I need to join their Discord and hit up the devs for this. They probably won't ever respond because I'm small, but I want to talk to these guys.
Free to add to this base whatever you want. You can extend it with a connector in another room. You can even...
Oh no. My computer is like, I feel like I could cook an egg on it. I can't. It's actually only 50 degrees Celsius right now for the PC, but in the list of stuff. Let's see, where was it? It was in here, right? So it's space, images, and drawing. I can't. Okay, hold on. Let me see if there's a. Hold on. Actually, I know what to do. Let me see. Tab. I think let's see if I can put here's a screen. All right. So here, we got our screen. I'm gonna put another button here. R, Q, okay. I'm still getting used to the controls a little bit. So, can I name this properties? Button 2. Okay, Q. So we take our image button here, and then when we press it, we generate an image. This is gonna be so messy. Don't judge. Generate an image. And the image, I'm guessing it would go to, is this only for text? Maybe this is only for text. Hold on. Maybe this is only for text. Frame. Is this it? How do I just hold? Delete component. Okay. Grab this. This looks like it. This looks like it. Close this. Image. Frame not. Maybe this is the wrong thing? Odd, right? I would expect it to be in components. Is there a limit for how many things can be linked to one controller? Oh my god, look, you can... Is these all the devs' baby pictures? Why is it not in here? It definitely is for images, yeah. Maybe I'm just gonna put another controller here. Okay, that's not it. I was curious. I was curious if there was like a limit to how many inputs you could have per controller. Maybe if they did something like that. It's just not showing up. Maybe it's not there yet. Do we need like more things? Can't be programmed in a controller. Static settings, yeah. It just seemed that when I go to here, it definitely seems like you can import a file. Okay, you know I'm curious now. You know I'm curious now. It's under device settings for the frame. Good call. How do I turn... Enable them in the world info panel in the pause menu to access advanced options. Worlds. Oh, wow. People already have stuff here. What did this say? Enable them in the world's info panel in the pause menu. World info panel. I don't know what that. I don't know where that is. This whole mass thing gets me excited because, like, thinking of flying, building ships and stuff. Like, man, that could be crazy. Access its properties. Access its sketches. How do I turn this on? Enable them in the world info panel in the pause menu to access these advanced options. Here we go. Devices. Look at, people have been active on this, man. They've been making some stuff. I shouldn't be surprised. Show advanced actions. Under world. Worlds. My worlds. I don't have a world yet. Do I have to like save? Maybe because I'm in the tutorial? Wow. Yeah, maybe because this is the tutorial, I'm guessing. Okay, that's fine. Let's do the last one here. The plasma cannon.
All right.
Let's do the plasma cannon.
Plasma cannon.
And then we'll build a new
Now,
world.
to start with, I want to open up the component library by pressing tab. We're in the basic components tab, and I want to use the cube, but I'm probably going to be using it more than once, so I want to add that to my quick bar. If you have it in your quick bar, you don't have to do anything, but I'm missing it, so I'm going to hover over it. I'm pressing 1, and you can see it's in
So you
our
can just
number 1
choose that.
slot here.
Perfect.
So I'm just going to close the component library with tab and press 1 to spawn it in front of me. There we are. I'm going to place it down with left mouse button, and I'm going to start by scaling it. Now to scale it, I'm holding down Control, and I'm using W while holding down Control to select width axis, and I want to scale that up to 1.5 using the scroll wheel on the mouse. So 1.5, W again for height, that's 0.75, and W again for depth to scale it to 1.5. There we go. Now I want to switch the state to sort of have it on the ground there. That's R. And here it is. And this is our base for our plasma cannon. Now let's build the control panel next by opening up the component library with tab. And we're going to use the hexagon panel. So let's click on that. It's laying down here. It's kind of bright at the moment, but I want it to stand up. So we're going to use the scroll wheel to cycle the sockets. So it's standing up. And let's place it down. Now it's not facing the right way, so I want to hold down Shift and the left mouse button to rotate it to 90 degrees so that it's facing sort of this axis here. And I want to scroll it with Control, W for diameter and W again for height.
Interpenetrating.
Scale it up, scroll wheel again to 1.5. Alright, this is sort of the base. Let's add the components that we want to control the plasma cannon with. So I'm thinking a lever and a knob and a button. So let's
Wait, what did I miss?
Let's add the components that we want to control the plasma cannon with. So I'm thinking a lever and a knob and a button. So let's find those. Component library. It's somewhere in behavior. Let's find out. It should be down here. So that's a lever. I want a knob. That should be up here. And the button. That's way up here.
How did he change that?
Sort of button to rotate it. So I want to scroll wheel, but I want it to stand up. So we're going to use the scroll wheel to cycle the sockets.
Do that, and then what do you do?
Standing up. And let's place it down. Now it's not facing the right way, so I want to hold down Shift and the left mouse button to rotate it to 90 degrees.
Got it.
It's facing sort of this axis here. And I want to scroll it with Control, W for diameter and W again for height. And I'm going to scale it up, scroll wheel again to 1.5. Alright, this is sort of the base. Let's add the components that we want to control the plasma cannon with. So I'm thinking a lever and a knob and a button. So let's find those. Component library.
He scaled it horizontal. I was trying to keep it. I had it floating above it. I wanted to have it snapped.
It should be down here. So that's a lever. I want a knob. That should be up here. So let's find those. Component library. It's somewhere in behavior. Let's find out. It should be down here. So that's a lever.
Let's look at this real quick before we go into this. Let's just take a look. So these are all the different structures you can make. And the fact that you can scale them around is pretty cool. Just looking off rip, it'd probably be nice to have some angles. Have a little bit more to make like some sort of pointy. Even though you can kind of do that with the. You could probably make it, but you know what I mean. Like in Space Engineers, you have all those different pieces to try to make like more aerodynamic looking like fighters and stuff. It would be nice to have a couple more complex like polygons. But this is a lot. This is a lot of stuff. Because you can scale and make all different things with this, and you could also intersect. So you can kind of make whatever you need with this. So these are the structures. So these are like the hallways, open rooms, warehouse. Yeah, he needs the high level stuff. Claw. So conveyor, drone, fans, pistons, shock absorbers. These all look so similar. Experimental. Wow, you can send data to your Steam friends through the communicator from different sides of the world or whatever. Wow. Labels, exhaust, gamepad interface. This game's ambitious, yeah. Impact detector, different LEDs, NFC interface, so you could have different tags. It's ambitious, and the thing is, the thing that's different with them is there's a lot of games out there that are ambitious, but they don't back it up, you know? Like, they'll just put out, they'll be like, this is what we want to do, and they'll do some roadmap, and then they'll have, like, some basic things. They kind of went over the top already for early access. It's kind of crazy. Almost too far, but... Was there a touchscreen? Did I miss it? Touchscreen, yeah. Can you do, it says any type of content, which can display any type of content. That'd be cool if you could display images. Let me see something. Just wondering. I was wondering if yeah, I was wondering if I could put something in the tablet. I couldn't see it on there though real quick. To content in the tablet? Oh, content. Okay, so image to content. Generate image. Okay, now here it is. This is what I was looking. So select an image. Where does this image generator... Is it like off or something? It's on. Yeah. Maybe there's something here I need to put. Like press generate image. I mean, I don't need this, but on and content, it is picking up the current, but the current's blank. Color is an input. Can I like do this? No. How do I get rid of this? Way to tell it the color. I just thought it had like a... thought it had a way to... I don't know. I'm not going to worry about it. Let's go back to this thing. I got super sidetracked. Let's see.
Component library. It's somewhere in behavior. Let's find out. It should be down here. So that's a lever. I want a knob. That should be up here. And the button. That's way up here. Alright. And then to control all of these, I want to use a controller. There we are. These are intersecting a little bit. Let's fix that. There we go. Alright, so now we have to do the plasma cannon itself, but I'm going to build that as its own separate device. So in here with nothing in front of us, let's press tab and let's find the mechanic components.
Okay.
Now, the servo is perfect for what we want to do to control the direction of the plasma cannon. And down here is a single axis joint, which is perfect for handling the pits. I'll explain this as I go along. So let's start with the servo. It's facing upwards, and I don't want that, so I'm going to use the scroll wheel to cycle the rotation. There we go, so it's facing me, like that. Now it's going to rotate in any direction that I want. 360
Controllable
degrees.
gun, yeah.
Now on top of that, I want to add these single axis joints. So component library again, find the single axis joint.
I don't know why my brain is going this direction. I feel like this is kind of strange to go this way, but I'm almost thinking like a carnival game. I know you can make crazy stuff, but like imagine if we built some sort of carnival game where, you know, things are like moving up and down randomly and you had to like shoot objects and you get points for it. Like you could, because I was thinking the Ferris wheel, right? Like my brain instantly went to like some sort of carnival thing. Like especially if we could figure out a way to like shoot like almost like water, like where you have to hold it into the bullseye and keep the thing shooting up. Like just make a carnival. I wonder how crazy you can go, because you can throw objects too. I wonder if there's a way you can like have a pile of like baseballs or something, and you pick them up and you throw them. If it would register, it has that impact meter. If you could put the impact meter maybe on something and have different colors, then you'd have to hit them and it would detect the impact, and based on a certain amount of impact, it would give you points. yeah, it's probably like a primitive thing to think of. But for some reason, I just thought of carnival games. You could throw the ring toss thing. That impact meter would be pretty cool.
And let's attach that on top of it.
Start small. No, we start big,
now you
Apollo.
can see the synchronized joint is going to rotate 90.
Scared money don't make no money, Apollo. Come on.
The single axis joint. So component library again, find the single axis joint, and let's attach that on top of it. Now you can see the synchronized joint is going to rotate 90 degrees in this direction and 90 degrees in the.
Oh damn, you went out there. Yeah, see the little ducks, big little ducks. This slot's on cooldown. Minute. Let me gamble when I want to gamble, damn it.
The other direction. So that's perfect for handling the pits up and down. So on top of this, I'm going to have the base for the cannon itself. So let's add a cube by pressing 1. Center it down there, and let's scale it down just slightly, just 1 tick to 0.38 on all axes. Now let's make it a little bit cooler by having some decorative components on it. Let's open up the component library again. Let's see what we have here. We have a few parts. How about this one? I think this could look cool. Add it there. That's sort of like the backside of it.
What the hell is that?
And then here, how about another hexagon? So in basic of it.
What do you pick?
How about this one?
Thing?
I think this could look cool.
Meh.
Add it there. That's sort of like the backside of it. And then here, how about another hexagon? So in basic components, hexagon panel. Let's click here in the middle, and let's scale it up. I want to go to height, so that's S. And scale it up with the mouse wheel again, the scroll wheel. So that's looking pretty good. Let's add a component, let's add the plasma cannon on top of it. Plasma cannon. That here. And yeah, let's add a little, this bit flat somehow, so let's add one component. I have one in mind. Decorative. Let's add this plate right here, and let's rotate it like that. So that's looking pretty good for me. You can do whatever you want, but I think this looks good to me. So now that we have the plasma cannon here and the base over there, I can take this entire device.
Whack-a-mole, yeah. Skee-ball? Yeah, skee-ball, see?
That's the component that
I kind of want to make a...
the plasma cannon
I kind of want to do it.
with to the base. So I'm going to grab the servo. Now place it.
That's probably something that
there.
I feel like not many people would probably make. I feel like people are probably making crazier games and stuff. Strongest man? Yeah. We need to make a lumberyard carnival. That's what we need to do. And then we have all the basics that we've mentioned, and then we need to start going to some, yeah, like mini golf. We need to start going to some crazy things. Kind of exciting. Okay.
And by the
What
air.
did I miss here?
Good to me. So now that we have the plasma cannon here and the base over there, I can take this entire device, and I want to grab it by the servo, because that's the component that I want to attach the plasma cannon with to the base.
Wow.
Grab the servo,
Wow.
Crazy.
place it somewhere around there, and obviously it's facing the wrong direction, so I want to hold down shift while looking at the servo and rotate it. Now it's facing the same direction as the controls. Now all I have to do is hook up the scats. Now, like I said, I want the lever to control the
Why can't I?
directions
Hold
of
on.
the servo and facing the wrong direction. So I want to hold down shift while looking at the servo and rotate it. Now it's facing the same direction as the controls. Now all I have to do is hook up the scats. Now, like I said, I want the lever to control the
I keep wanting to use the middle mouse wheel.
the knob to control the direction of the servo, and the button to control when to shoot the plasma cannon itself. So let's open up these scats with Q.
Let's go, baby.
Rid of this ticker, we don't need that.
Pull that lever.
And we're gonna grab the...
Damn it. Good thing I'm loaded.
the controls. Now all I have to do is hook up the scats. Now, like I said, I want the lever to control the single axis joint here, the knob to control the direction of the servo,
Okay.
and the button to control when to shoot the plasma cannon itself.
Okay.
So let's open up these scats with Q.
Here we go.
Let's get rid of this ticker, we don't need that. And we're gonna grab the lever, we're gonna grab the knob, and we're gonna grab the button. Now the lever is gonna control the single axis joint, and now I have to do something in between here. If I do output position to target rotation like this, the lever outputs minus 100 degrees, well, minus 100% to 100%. And the single axis joint is going to understand that as minus 100 degrees and plus 100 degrees. It's not going to go all the way because it can only
Not
go
rigged.
90
It never
minus
was.
90. So I can just show you real quick. If I do this, this is a little bit too much. There's no reason for me to pitch the cannon by this much. I mean, it could just be dangerous. So let's limit how much this lever can control the single axis joint by getting rid of this line by hovering over it and right clicking. And we're gonna add a logic node by pressing spacebar. This is our node library here. And we're just gonna search for the percentage mapper right here. Now, what this is gonna do is I want the lever to deliver the its percentage to the percentage mapper, and I want it to control basically I'm going to map it from, let's say, well, minus 30 degrees to 30 degrees. Now, because it's delivering a minus value as well as a plus value, I want to use a negative limit. Otherwise, it's only going to recognize 0 to 100.
Okay.
But with this text, it's going to recognize minus 100 to plus 100. So now obviously nothing is going to happen if I don't tell it to map the new percentage. So every time it outputs the position or the position.
Like, I feel like I'm back in school, you know, and I'm good with that. I'm the guy that when I played KSP, like for the first time, like back when it came out, I literally had a notebook next to me when I was playing, and I was like, I know I didn't use like Notepad. I literally had like a physical like little book, and I would literally write down like little ideas for delta V and thrust to weight ratios and like different things. I would just have it scribbled on there. Like, I enjoy that stuff, so I'm fine with it. But I'm just sitting here listening to this, and I'm like, people are gonna fall asleep. People are gonna fall asleep. They just want to build a plasma cannon and they want to blow stuff up. They don't want to hear this guy talking about this lecture. Even though I find it interesting, I'm trying to think. We're keeping it real here, Apollo, right? Most people are not gonna care. But it all goes back to our point: high level stuff. Yeah, we are awake. Oh, no, we're here. I'm just saying, man.
Of the lever changes,
It's a lecture.
it's going to also map the new percentage. So we're going to take the output, put that to target rotation, and let's see what happens now. That's more
I feel like I
it.
missed a spot.
You still shoot
Oops.
kind of close down, but that's fine, probably. Now, the next thing we want to do is the knob to control the direction. So we'll drag out the servo, and it's the same deal here. Output analog value to target rotation. The knob only delivers 0
Definitely
to
something
100,
wrong there.
and the servo is just going to interpret that as 0 to 100 degrees. So if I turn the knob all the way, I can
Wait, did
only
he do?
shoot
He
left.
did the servo and I
Output
missed it.
analog value to target rotation. The knob only delivers 0 to 100, and the servo is just going to interpret that as 0 to 100 degrees. So
Oh,
if
I missed
turn
the servo.
knob all the way, the knob only delivers 0 to 100, and the servo is just gonna. The knob only delivers 0 to 100, and the servo is just gonna interpret that as 0 to 100 degrees. So if I turn the knob all the way, I can only shoot left. That's not good. So let's use another percentage mapper. Let's get rid of this line and space and another percentage mapper. And then output analog value to percentage, and I'm going to map it as well. And then number to target rotation, so that's all set up. Now I just have to add, let's say 90 degrees to minus 90 degrees. Now because the knob is not outputting any minus value, I don't need to use the negative value. So this should pretty much just work out.
You say?
So this should pretty much just work out. Negative. Now because the knob is
90.
not outputting any minus value, I don't need to use the negative value. So this should pretty much just work out exactly how I want it to. And there you go. I can rotate.
So awkward to control
plasma
this.
cannon 180 degrees. Now it's facing forward, but the knob here is facing like downwards to the right. It's not nice necessarily. It's easier if I would recognize where it's aiming from just by looking at the knob. So let's switch the state here and let's rotate with shift. Let's rotate the knob by 135 degrees. So that's now it's aiming somewhat forward, and if I turn right, it's turning right, left, left. So it's more in line with where the
I have the degrees a little off, but it does
All I have to do
turn.
now
I just
is
would like a
the
four-way
button.
control. Like they should have some sort of joystick for
Button.
that.
plasma cannon. This is easy. Whenever I press it, I want it to shoot. Let's see what happens. There we go. Now we can do a little target practice here. Let's add a cube, one, and then another cube on top of it, one, and another
Oops.
one. There we go. It's going to be our target. So let's see if we can aim for that. Maybe a little bit high. Yeah, I'm not really good at this.
Yeah, the keyboard buttons. Yep.
Ah, we got it. There we go. Now obviously you can do your own additions to it. You can add like a camera on top of it and have it zoom in and have like a screen here so that you can
Oh yeah, I have it
see
twisted.
exactly where
You're
you're
right.
aiming. You
Oh,
can have
twisted,
a
whatever.
slider maybe here that controls the speed or the power, or have like a switch to control the gravity. This is kind of fun as well. Puts gravity in the plasma cannon, so it's kind of more fun maybe to aim. But I'll leave that all up to you, and I'll leave you with this, a plasma cannon.
There we go. Does stuff take damage yet? Can I set it to be like continuous? There we go. Oh, it does hit me. Ow! Keyboard mouse controls? Yeah, there's gotta be. Right? Well, there's keyboard. Is there mouse? There's a keyboard right here. Okay, so I could technically take this keyboard. Yeah, okay. So I could... Takes out a whole solar system. I could totally make something work with the keyboard to adjust it to certain values. Oh, mouse right here. Mouse delta. What if I like... Do I need something in between? What if I... view Y? Need to hit, what is it? F?
Alright. Let's build the plasma cannon.
Saying... Rave? I don't think I still have that set up. Dirty still streaming? He is. Oh, it's on? When did I turn that on? It switched songs and everything. Woo! We're waking up now, baby! Get up to position. Oh, from the lever? I feel like I need to change, yeah, Neuro. I feel like I need to change this. What am I thinking though? This is, which way does this control again? I forget. It's so finicky. And I could do... This is kind of an extra step. And hook firing, yeah, I need to remove the button. Trying to think. Look around, alt, there we go. Okay, so I gotta change the... So that's minus, so it's going down. It like, hold on, there's gotta be, it seems to want to always set it always wants to set back down. Starting to get tired now. Hold on. So Y, okay, so Y's here. So this is gonna be here. Oh, position. Target rotation. Try 45 for position. It wants to always snap back. There's got to be something that says like there's a higher value for 2. Oh, I had it at 0. It's something with the, like, do I need this lever at all? I was wondering. I guess I do. What's up, Brant? That's what I was thinking. Do I remove it? I don't know if it produces the position. Yeah. It's just like I'm moving up and it just automatically wants to stay at a certain value. I don't, like, I feel like there's a setting. figure this out. It's like such a small angle. You know what I mean? $30 likes, baby. We're at 31 now. Position's coming in from the Delta Y. Let's get this thing, pointed straight first. Thank you, Nero. Whew. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab something to drink. What I think I need to do is... What I think I need to do is just put the... I think I may have twisted it around, so I think it's actually orienting in a certain position based on how I rotated it. I probably didn't face it forward, which is kind of throwing off the numbers. I think what I'd probably do, next time I do this, I'll probably just put, like, literally that single axis joint, I'll probably put that single axis joint alone and then learn how it moves and then start adding stuff on top of it. I think that's what I did. Is Dirty still around? He's not in his Discord though. Is it wrong that I want to bother him? No chair over, you're in the wrong chat, baby. You're in the wrong chat. What's he doing? He's locked in. Look at him. Look at how locked in he is. Look how locked in he is. He's got a little tiny screen too. How come his cam's so little?
Do I need anything from in here? I don't think I do.
The dirty
Actually, let's
ones.
see. You know what I haven't seen? Napalm for chemical flamethrower. Do I have a chemical flamethrower? I do not have a chemical flamethrower yet. Lumber! What's up, buddy?
I'm gonna be annoying. Flamethrower.
What are you doing, friend? Where you at? All right, hold on a second. Hold on a second. There you go. Where am I at? Where am I? Yo!
30.
Yo, what up?
30.
Lumber! Tuesday!
I just wanted to bother you.
What are you doing, man?
I'm playing Plasma.
The hell is Plasma? I noticed like an hour ago, I was like, holy crap, he's streaming, and I saw something. You know what it looked like? It looked a little bit like on my phone. A little bit like Astroneers.
This is a game changer, dude. I'm telling you right now. This game's
Where'd you get it
awesome.
from?
It was like one of the they gave me a free key. They gave me a free key. It was one of those games. I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. So I agreed, and I had to play it within like a week or something. And it's in early access, and man, it looks promising, dude. It is in depth. It is very in depth. But I didn't know what your plans were. You're off tomorrow, right?
I am off tomorrow.
Same. I just wanted to bother you. So if you end up finishing early or something, I'm down to... If you want to go wreak havoc somewhere.
I downloaded I downloaded whatchamacallit.
Oh, the
Warzone.
whatchamacallit?
The Warzone. Bro, I hear that you just want to build helicopters powered by rockets again. That's what I'm getting.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
I don't know. That's what I'm getting from the chat, that you want to just start building helicopters and going in space.
I mean, depends on who's telling you. Is that Raptor telling you? That sounds like something Raptor would say.
You know him very well.
Sounds like something Raptor would say.
Oh man, bro, this game, yo, I haven't played BioShock since it first came out, and then now with this remastered, bro, I don't remember this.
Is their
game
Discord
at
good?
all.
See.
At all.
I'll have to join
But
it.
I can wreak some.
Let's start something up, Gabriel. Let's do it.
If you wanted some Warzone, because that's what you're talking about, right? Then you want to try something out.
Yeah, but
yesterday,
I'm not. Yeah, I got a different build I wanted to try out, but I'm not. I just wanted to say hi. Like if you're, I'm not interrupting. So like if you finish up a point later and you feel like switching it up, just let me know. I'll be here. That's all.
All right, no
I don't want to get in the way.
This. Yep, I'll continue this for a little bit, and then I'll hit you up, man.
All right, I'm literally just gonna stay in here.
All right, no doubt. I'll
right.
do the same.
Yeah, just let me know when you're ready.
All right, cool.
All right.
All right.
Check out the game. Yeah, I wonder if I can give me a few days, Gabriel. Let me see if I can get some keys. Let me see. I don't know if I can, but let me see if I can get some keys. It's $20. In my opinion, it's 100% worth the $20. And I think you'll agree just based off seeing what you're looking at. But let me reach out to them and see if I can get some keys for the community. Because I definitely know there's some people in here that would love to play. Just let me see. I mean, it's $20. I think it's worth it, but if I could get some extra keys, I'll let you know. Uruthris? Dude, this is literally Uruthris all over it. Did I go through everything? Ready for your home base? Let's check out the home base. We were there before. This isn't Fortnite. No, it's not, Brennan. It's not. It's something better. I'm still in windowed mode. And I'm not even freaking out about it. What's wrong with me? Any like space freaks out there, like follow like SpaceX and stuff like that? Am I getting those type of vibes from you, Gabriel, or you don't really care about it too much about rockets? Alien invasion? Wow. Dude, are you excited for Spaceship? Or for Starship? For Starship coming up? Oh my god. Yeah, I still remember watching that first Falcon Heavy launch when they launched the Tesla. Dude, it's such an emotional feeling seeing those two friggin' Raptor or those two Falcon 9s come in and land simultaneously. When I was a kid, I saw the space shuttle launch, but I really want to go see SpaceX do stuff. What's up, Tim? You excited for Starship? Dude, I know they were talking about the 10th. It looks like they're doing a wet dress rehearsal. And it looks like the 17th. So knowing Elon Musk, he's going to do 420. I think I'm going to quit this. I'm actually going to load up. I know that's terrible of me, but I'm going to load up Warzone. Just want to relax a little bit. I'm starting to get tired, and I feel like I need my brain for this one. Think about it all the time. Dude, I can't wait to see that. I want to try out this. I made a cast-off 545 build. Super weak, but let's see if it works. Yeah, think of all the stuff they've made from NASA over the years, you know? Did I make this in... Where's my gun? Did I make it in multiplayer? David Adair? Why does that name sound familiar? Area 51 stuff? Okay, I feel like I've seen stuff on YouTube with this guy. Dude, Skunkworks. Skunkworks holds a special place in my heart, man. Special place in my heart. For multiple reasons. Why did I make this in... No, my gun it never saved. There's no way. Hold on. Might have to build this again. Weapons. Warzone. Cast off 762. Cast off 762. RPK. Cast off 762. It's gone. It never saved. You work for NASA? That's awesome, Seven Wolf. Now I gotta look at friggin' Metaphor's channel. Oh, it's right here. I did save it, just didn't. That's weird. I need to level up this freaking BS revolver. There's no recoil, no, not really. All right, Gabriel, dude, have a good night, man. I'm excited for Plasma too. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. You're in the Discord, so I'll let you know if I hear anything from them. I'm gonna reach out to them. I had a lot of fun. Man, I'm kind of excited too, dude. Nerds unite. How late is Dirty staying up, you think? So you're back into Apex, Apollo. Man. We gotta level up, unfortunately. And we gotta use this stupid basilisk. Got an F9 this lobby. Faux show. No weapon stuff. All right, let's do it. Let's level up a little bit while we're waiting. Hell yeah, Tim. Wow, that is crazy. Talk about making, you know, as weird as I'm probably gonna sound, it's like I feel like all people really want to do sometimes is make a difference. Talk about what an influential program, just not only in like United States history, but just humankind, you know? What an impact. Even if you did, no matter what scope it was, anything that helped progress Apollo, like that's just insane feat to be a part of. And have feet. I've never used this gun, but it's broken apparently in solos. This feels weird coming from Plasma. This feels weird coming from Plasma. gun may suck in this configuration. Leveling up. Leveling up. You love pistols? This one's like... This one's really, it's like a revolver, but... I gotta get this thing to like level friggin' 20 or something. Trying to hip fire with it. I feel like I need to use a different build. Okay, let me dial it in. Let me dial it in. Let me dial it in a little bit. Man, I wish I had an actual gun. This thing's so slow. This thing's so slow. Friggin' shipment, man. Five shots. That's all you get. All you get is 5 shots. It's like crazy because if you can just get two taps, like this is multiplayer so it doesn't count, but in Warzone, solos with this gun kitted out, it's literally 2 shots and you're dead. Needs more beavers. Get out of here. Should I play Timberborn again? That game was really fun. I haven't been back. Anno 1800. Let me know. Thank you for hanging around, Apollo. Go rest or something. Anno, I've never played. If you want to play, let me know. You know how to reach me, bro. Yeah. What is he using for... What is Metaphor using here? The arrow. So I gotta be at least 27 for that. Jesus, dude. Damn. It's aggressive. I'm trying to level up this stupid pistol. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, Selena. I don't know what I'm doing anymore in my life. I'm trying to level up this stupid ballast or whatever the hell you call it. Ow!
Yo, Toothy!
Grenade!
Yeah, I'm gonna go get my my hard drive because I don't remember what my, you know, my external. I
Yeah.
don't remember what my my ADS sense was, and then you just give me your what's it called? Your graphics, and we're all good. I already have it downloaded.
Alright. Are you still streaming?
I was gonna stop streaming and just do that, or I was gonna keep it on. I wasn't even.
I'm
sure
still
yet.
streaming.
I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna play a little bit of I'm trying to level up this gun.
All right.
What just
Oh,
happened?
good. It's a good warm up. All right. Let me get my hard drive. I'll be
Yeah,
right back.
let me know, let me know. What the hell? My gun just like... Hey! Hey! I'm just gonna say this. I'm almost dialed in here. Oh my god!
High alert online.
I'm on fire!
Hostile UAV over. Enemies inside the perimeter. Stand by.
Woo! This gun's so slow.
Friendly UAV online.
This gun's so slow. This gun's so slow for shipment too.
Hostile UAV active.
I'm hitting stuff, Tim.
Next hard point. Get ready.
I just wish this did a little bit more damage in multiplayer, but I need to have the right gun built. It's like you have to hit a headshot. And these irons are nasty. Look, these irons are not that clean. Oh, maybe they're not that bad, actually. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Ah! I just died. I just blew myself up. No! It's not fair. I'm still alive? I thought I was dead. Oh, he was right there. See how easy it is? If I had an actual gun. If I had an actual gun.
Hostile UAV active. Hard point relocating. Stand by. Enemies inside the perimeter.
Oh, nice little drop shot.
Hard point compromised. Secure the area. Hard point relocated. Secure the target area.
I'm freaking off tomorrow, so I had some bourbon.
Push them back.
I had some bourbon, a couple beers, so my reaction time's slow. Decoy grenades are key.
Hostile UAV in this sector. Hard point.
Decoy grenades are key because you get extra XP when you throw them. So you just spam it. Oh, if that guy wasn't there, I would have got him. I would have. Another guy behind him. Jesus. Oops. Everyone's leveling up the fire shotguns. Help them well, Soupe! That's embarrassing. See, now that's embarrassing. Oh my god! The thing that pisses me off the most in all FPS games. Some may call me lucky. Maybe you're right sometimes, right? But I'm so inconsistent. I'm so inconsistent. I'll have like a 5-minute stretch of just like dominating, and then I just am a bot. That's what drives me crazy the most. That drives me the craziest. Yeah, Tim. I'm pinning that, bro. Oh, I already have a pinned comment. I am adding that to the quotes. Hold on, let me cancel this. Tim, you're going into the quotes, bro. You are quote number 40. That one was good. Does this level up at all? Level 5? Jesus, I need a token. I need a token. Wow.
Execute them for extract.
Jesus. What? Get out of my way! Oops. Get out of my way! Wow. Bullet's supposed to ricochet? No, this isn't Tarkov. Oh my god, they all spawn on me. I tried. 4 kills. Oh my, yeah. Oh my god.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yeah.
I think I got everything. I think I got it. Oh, where's the thing to display your FPS count? FPS count. Dude. On. Server latency. What else do we have? GPU temp.
I only have FPS, latency, and packet loss.
Oh, and then we need graphics. When I go for the whatchamacallit, the FPS.
I think it's interface.
Mission is complete. Good work.
Yeah, found it.
You really went through
Unlimited.
all your settings, didn't you?
I really couldn't. Why is it locked? Because custom frame rate is set to unlimited. No, custom. Let's do. Mine is 144, so I'm gonna keep it. You cap yours, right?
Yeah, I capped mine to like 5 to 10 over my refresh rate of my monitor. That's how I
So
always
should
do it.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. In the menus, I'm. Did I need to save anything? Does it save automatically?
For what? The settings?
Huh?
Settings?
Yeah.
You got to apply it.
Where was I?
Need this.
I think I'm good here. It says for one setting I had to restart, so I'm gonna.
Yeah, I'd restart your game. I'm gonna grab a drink. I'll be right back.
Yep. I'm ready. I'm so curious to see how the hell this is gonna run with me streaming at the same time. I am so curious. It's safe. Woo. It's gonna be weird. I'm used to playing on a 27-inch monitor, 1440. Right now, I'm on a portable 1080p monitor. See what happens. All right, at least it's showing up there. It's doing its shaders. All right, let it do its shaders. It's redoing its shaders. See what happens. Oh, what you see here? If this was my If this was the C922, the Logitech webcam, I would have just took it and I would have just showed you. But I have like a 17-inch portable monitor that's plugged into my laptop, which is over here like on a stand. That could be raised and it could be a little close so I can see it. I have a little Logitech light here. I plugged in my key light, the small one. The key light there, it's right here, and my Sony camera is there. It wasn't like that in the beginning though. I had a Logitech camera set up, but I was here a little bit longer, so I ended up setting this up. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even know I was muted. I apologize.
No, I walked away, so I left you open so you could talk to my chat for me.
Oh yeah,
I'm what you call lazy.
I know.
Whoa, you're not, yo. Yo!
What's up?
Hey, yo!
Hey, yo!
That's what you're supposed to be like, no, you're not, man. Even then, you're supposed to lie to me.
What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm getting ready for you to yell at me right now. All right,
Why would I yell at you?
Where's my invite?
I'm not inviting you. You're
Oh,
inviting
wait a
me.
minute. Wait a second. I'm not going to accept it yet. It's for some reason, since
See?
I changed some settings, it's doing the shaders again.
See? This is
I'm at
why I don't
40%.
invite you. It's always something.
It's always something with you. It's always something
Mr.
with you.
Laptop streamer.
Bro, you don't understand. You know, I had
Mm-hmm. All the excuses. Now we're about to hear all the excuses.
144 drop frames from network. That was way in the beginning. I want to see.
That's nothing.
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, that was in way in the beginning. It's always on 0. I guess something must have happened.
That's nothing. I have 800, and this is a good day. They postponed it again, Dirty.
Oh my god.
They postponed it again.
I'm ready for the invite now.
Invite me.
You want me to invite you?
Yeah. You're the dad. I can't handle this type of stuff. Well, now people are saying slacker yard. We're in multiplayer over here? Bunch of multiplayers?
Bunch of multiplayers, baby. Where we going? Where do you want me to put us in?
VR. Let's do
Right
let's
to
do
the
some
Beyond
rebirth.
Nieces?
I wanna make sure I have this build right. Bam, bam.
Bro, all right. Bro, we can I'll tell you right now. This is gonna be really, really weird for me
Why?
because it's a different size monitor, sensitivities, even though the same, it's a little different.
Bunch of freaking excuses. Okay, I'm ready. I got the cast off 545, not the 762.
The cast off 545.
So at longer ranges, it doesn't really do that well. But medium range up close, it doesn't move and it kind of shreds. I gotta get that revolver unlocked. Like I have it unlocked, but I gotta get that revolver leveled up so I can just 2-tap people. That's what everyone's using now. There's like that what's the name of it? Forget the name of it is. It's
I'm trying to figure out a way so I can
the basilisk revolver. If you take that and you build it a certain way, you gotta get to level like 27. It 2-taps people.
Yeah. All right.
Copyright.
Going. All right, I want to see how this is now. All right, so I have to see. Okay. All right, let's go.
Here we
Treat
go.
everyone with respect.
Here we go.
Why is it? Okay, I gotta check this. Yes, I know. I treat everybody with respect.
Here
Let's
we
go.
go. Treat you with respect.
This, I guess, is the first time this game was ran on this machine. It's asking me.
So you lied to them? Dude, I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it. Plasma, game changer.
What do you do there? You build the helicopters and blast off into space?
No, it's a little. I don't know how crazy you are. How many screws you got loose like me in certain games, like how in depth and nerdy you will go. It's pretty much like a programming language inside this game. It's aggressive. It's aggressive. They need to. It's early access. They need to get some high-level stuff going, and then I think to appeal to the masses, I think it'll be good. But the backbone they have for early access, it's absolutely incredible. It's absolutely incredible. That's the only thing I can say. I've never been this sure. It's $20. I've never been this sure about a game ever to recommend someone to spend $20 on a game. It's that good. And you know me. I'm always
listen,
honest.
can I just jump in? Do I have to know how to code stuff? This is no brains for me.
Well, they have like a tutorial. You can it's like a sandbox, like a full sandbox. So you can do some basic
Talking about
stuff,
coding.
but yeah,
You're
it's
talking about coding.
it's
I gotta write
aggressive.
code?
It's aggressive.
I gotta write code?
No,
You're telling me I gotta write code?
no, you don't have to.
Listen, if I have an idea of something I want to build, I want to be able to build it without writing code.
No, I agree.
Oh my god, I can't shoot.
Why?
Oh, it's so bad.
What'd you do?
I missed everything.
Okay. That's normal.
Oh my god. All right, I'm at 180, 90 FPS, and streaming on my laptop. Let's go, baby.
I'm on like 130, 140. What the hell's going on here?
I really gotta shoot something, man. I should have did some multiplayer. I'm gonna look so bad. I'm thinking, why
There it goes, have a good
didn't
night.
I end
Hope
this
you're feeling
stream?
better.
I'm
Gotta
gonna
get
look
some
the
rest.
worst
Drink
that
some
I've
water.
ever looked playing Warzone right now.
I'm just gonna pretend like you're not even with me.
In the plane, I'm getting 130.
Same. 140, 150.
No, while you did your finger twirling was 110.
Yeah, it's bouncing around like 130 to 150.
No, I'm at 90 right now.
Christy!
I'm at 90 right now.
What's going
looking
on?
over.
How's it going?
Alright.
Let's go, baby. It's like we never left. We're gonna be dead in 2 seconds, aren't we, Dirty?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not even gonna act like, yo, we're gonna dominate, cause I can't cut the shoot. Oh my god, I didn't set the button.
You're with me, right? Can't hear anything.
Yep. Oh, you're still inside? I'm looking for a fight right now.
Go, let's go.
I gotta do my cut shoot. I forgot what I put for cutting shoots.
Are you a shoot cutter?
What did I cut my shoot with?
How did no one go here? There's gotta be someone here, right? Yeah, most wanted. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh, you're on the opposite side. I expect though. I'm going. I'm a little far behind. I'm a building behind you. Oh my god, I just tried to slide cancel.
We're here. They're pushing into you.
Oh yeah.
Get Dirty?
Oh, I down one. There's two here. I down one. There's two teams. Alright. It says C to cut shoot. How do I deploy my shield? Oh my god. It died.
Can I get to you?
Yeah.
People watching.
Taking fire!
You're a hard bastard, you'll make it.
I guess it's spacebar again.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh,
Behind me, behind me.
Yeah.
Nope. Oh my god. I can't even ping either. Getting tired of these games that they can automatically just carry the settings over.
Alright.
Leave it on the cloud.
All right, let's get your settings squared away.
I do the cut to shoot. I gotta do cut to shoot. And which was the other one? Ping. I gotta do cut shoot and ping. And that's it.
Standing by. Anything new and exciting, Christy?
Cut parachute. What the hell did I used to have to cut parachute with?
I think I am gonna be yelling at you pretty soon.
No. Super terrible. It removed it. Sprint, tactical, and focus. Deploy, shoot, right? Open parachute is spacebar. Can I do the same thing? Nope. What is your cut the parachute?
Let me check.
I don't even remember.
My cut parachute is C.
Let's see.
It's C. Yeah, I don't have auto deploy on, so I just have C. I don't like auto deploy.
See, and then auto deploy should be.
Did you turn on the aimbot? The Soldier 76 option?
But I didn't do nothing today. I did. That didn't get released. That totally didn't get released. That had no love.
What?
You could tell when they throw it, when it's out there, when it hits, it didn't hit the feed.
No.
It's just fine.
I've been doing way better without having the stupid intros. That was actually one of my every now and then I go into I try not to do it, to be honest, because like, you know, when you go into comments and then it shows like the hidden from view comments, like the appropriate, you know, inappropriate behavior. I try not to go in there. Every now and then I go in just to see if something got flagged by accident, because for some reason some people will get flagged if they have like a certain phrase they put in by accident, like a typo. But usually I don't go in there because it's all toxic. And someone was in there like, finally, you've realized your shorts are better and more entertaining when you don't do the stupid cringy intros.
To who? To you?
Some guy wrote that on one of my shirts and it got flagged, so it never got posted, but I was crying laughing. I was crying laughing. I couldn't believe they said that.
Yeah.
Standing by.
Oh, it's me.
Mm-hmm.
More world.
Standing by.
I already started it. We're just waiting. All right, so listen, it's performing good. I can't complain. I'm not losing anything.
I can.
I'm not losing. You always complain.
I just don't know how you do it.
Do what? Palm gaming?
You know what I'm saying?
Huh? I just don't know how you do it.
Check your gear and weapons.
What do you mean?
We go.
I do it. Oh my god. I remember what my button.
Oh my god. Let's do a VR after this.
Yeah. Yeah.
training is over. Time to see what you have
Dude,
learned.
that short you sent me today, that stream was amazing, dude. The doc short.
Yeah.
He people were like, this is gonna change gaming forever, and he went on this whole rant about how Unreal Engine's been around for years, and people need to shut the hell up. He took it so personal, he flipped out on everybody.
Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster.
Let's go here.
You will lead the
Get ready.
Let's get it, Dirty.
Where we
Hey.
going? All right, let's go.
Hey,
Hey, I'm here.
enemy soldier incoming.
When you jumping?
I jumped.
Oh, it took out my jump button? Are you serious?
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Oh
We're
my
gonna be
god,
dead,
this guy's
Dirty.
on me. Oh god.
What's wrong, Dirty?
Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Enemy UAV
Just
active.
jumping out of the damn plane
Spawn protection.
has
I love
question
it.
mark
Hostile UAV.
behind me. There you go.
It's a full team.
This is pissing me off.
What? Reload!
You have reinforcements.
Oh my god, this game is... Dude, I'm reloading for 20 minutes. Holy hell. 5 seconds, 35 seconds.
I gotta figure out what button is to jump out of the plane.
Really?
I just rubber band. I just rubber banded.
There we go.
Oh, I can't even jump.
This is clearly a mistake.
But don't you start with
Oh,
me.
I thought I was muted. 2 guys pushing you right here. They're looking at you.
I thought I.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV active. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done.
I thought they were getting these Cronus guys out of here. What happened? Oh my lord. These guys, they don't miss.
I got one. Alright, let's give you a minute. Figure out how you can jump again.
25 remain.
To jump out of the plane. Alright, let's go. Because there's not a setting for that. Right? It's jump out of the plane, right? There's no setting for that.
Yeah.
Let's see. Alright, what do you want to do?
That doesn't
Do it
matter.
Don't start with me!
Oh, I'm starting. I already stopped. I started and stopped.
Oh. Did you get that freaking loadout? Oh yeah, that's right. We have to do the other thing so you can get the loadout.
Yeah, I'm not getting a loadout tonight.
Don't you start.
I am done.
Can't. I can't with you anymore.
Are we playing Hunt Showdown, or I gotta wait like 2 months for you to build your PC so we can play Hunt Showdown?
We could play Hunt Showdown whenever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, we can play whenever you want. You gotta tell me when. I download it and that's it. It's done. All right. Hopefully I could jump now. I think we're good. I think we're good here. All right. So you had a good day today? Huh?
Yeah, it was alright. It's another day. You know what I'm saying? It was like 80 something today, dude.
Bro, it was hot, man. It was hot. Okay, now I remember which button it was that I had it. I just did it with shoot. Which is fine. I gotta beat it.
Enemy soldier incoming.
You enjoy Harris Heller, Nero? But Harris is my boy, bro. He's amazing.
Now we face the enemy for
He knows what's up. He knows what's up. He raided me with a bunch of YouTube executives like last year or something. And it's not official, but from what I've learned, I was the first YouTube raid ever.
There you go. He's always telling me what to do. He's twirling his fingers.
When he raided me, they were testing it out. Yeah, they were testing it out. It was, I have a short on it. I think it's the pin short.
There it goes. It just got deleted.
Yeah, I was,
Right,
if not the first, one of the first.
I got scared.
Positive ID on the bounty target. Eliminate them.
I just skipped. Did you lag?
Yeah.
Still doing it. God. Why is it doing that? It keeps... What was wrong? Yeah, I'm skipping.
Hostiles dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
He's bullet.
Got him. He was.
I wouldn't lie to you.
This is skipping right here.
I'm not skipping it all anymore. There's only that one time. Why is our bounty so far away? Right here. Dude, come on!
He's in that building?
Yeah.
Right there? Alright.
Here's first floor. I got obliterated. There's no way, dude. He's a bullet. He's 3 plates broken.
Got him.
There's probably someone else.
Yep, he went behind me. He got me. Oh my god, I thought he went inside for you. Guy waited.
Located your dog dog tag. Go get it back.
Can we just do a BR? I just want to do a BR, and then I'm probably done. Yeah, so he's like really close with YouTube, right? Like he gives a lot of input and things like that. And they were testing out the raid feature and they used him. So what he did was he raided his Senpai Gaming channel to his Harris Heller channel, and then just as a test. So that was technically the first, but it was himself. And they were testing it, and they had like everybody in there, man. Everybody. And they were all in there. And some like really big YouTubers too. Like some of my favorite YouTubers were in that stream. And then he was looking for someone to raid. And what happened was it glitched, and it only showed up people that had set up like subscribers or something. It was like only showing certain things. I was the only one that showed up in his thing. So then when he went to raid me, it wouldn't work. So then he just popped up in my chat, and he was like, hey, I'm trying to raid you, and I see Harris Heller pop up, and I'm playing Tarkov, like, in a crazy situation. I'm like, what the hell? I'm, like, hiding in a bush, trying to, like, change my YouTube settings so that he can raid me, and then he raided me, and I met so many people from that moment.
So that game, is it like scrap mechanic also?
Yeah, but there's so much more customization. A lot more.
And like Hello Neighbor, right? Is that what we played?
It's way more customization. Way more. They just need to make it easier for the general public to play. Like if they can just figure out how to package like if you want to put a door on something and then you want to put a button to open the door, you have to go through like a little bit. It's not difficult, but for the average person, it's not a nerd, I would expect them to take a little bit of time. Like I was able to kind of pick up on it and like, because it's kind of like programming, you know? But they need to make it more packaged so the average person can hop on and just build something. And then if they want to go in depth, they can. But yeah, so I met a lot of people from that. I mean, there were some of my favorite YouTubers were in that chat, and they popped up, and I was like, I couldn't believe it.
I think it's easy.
Friggin', what's his name? City Planner Plays. The City Planner Plays guy was talking to me in there. I couldn't believe it.
Like, I'm gonna pause it and be like,
he's a real city planner that does
I'm gonna be like 99.
He does what is it? City skylines and builds cities. Like, it's incredible. But I met a lot of people on YouTube there and stuff. And it's probably one of the most. That was like the pivotal moment, I think. It's random, but that and Raptor, those two moments were what helped me so much. That and Raptor are like the two. If I had to go back and put, I'm still grinding.
Wow,
There's a lot left to go. I've got a long road ahead of me, but the two moments so far are definitely Harris Heller raid and meeting Raptor.
We're definitely like in Central.
Check weapons and gear.
I'm on West Coast. I'm on 100 ping.
Yup, West Coast.
Hell, dude.
Going back out, try again.
Enemy
No, I
soldier
don't care.
incoming.
Oh my god.
Wow, this gun kind of fries. That gun kind of fries.
Which one? The one that you built?
Yeah, the 545 one.
Warm-up is over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
All the COD partners are coming out saying how great Season 3 is going to be. They had some phone call with the devs.
Oh, so they're basing it off of phone conversations, not even actual playing.
No, but they're all people with creator codes. Appreciate you, Neuro. Woo!
Drop point for your squad. You will lead them in.
I don't even know where the hell we're going.
I'm going to gas.
door anyway. Ping is high.
Just go Hydra.
Right here.
Stay middle. Secure the end zone. Win the game. Go to sleep. It's gonna be hot. Let's just stick together.
Where are you, Buffy?
Yeah, I'm going right for the bounty.
Area. Why is this area gonna be hot?
It's Hydro. It's always hot.
Eliminate all targets in the AO.
Oh my, why? It's. I feel like my game is going in like 50 FPS, and it's saying that I'm at 80. Why does it feel like this?
Kill them all.
I haven't found a gun yet.
Welcome to the peasant club, bro. You're not on a 49 anymore.
No, but it's just. Why is this like this? This is bad.
This is how Warzone is for everyone that can't get a 4090.
Bro, it's. I'm at 90 FPS, and it feels like I'm.
Yeah, that's how I am.
It's like skipping. It's not smooth.
This freaking guy.
Shotgun. That's all I have. Oh,
I'm gonna go on the roof, take a look for our bounty.
yeah.
Should be in this building.
Moving here.
Oh, they're moving across the street.
Moving.
They're moving back.
Oh, you're in the building?
I'm on the roof.
I still haven't even had it. I don't even have a gun yet.
Lots of chests under me. Should be able to find something.
I can't even move. I can't even move. Oh my lord. It wasn't like this the first game.
What's happening now?
It's like Skippy, like if the game was running at 40 FPS. I can't do anything. Like I could, but it's like, it's hard. I have no idea what it is.
Positive ID on multiple strongholds. Locations are marked on your attack map. Gas is moving.
I'm going across the street.
Okay.
Time's up. Contract failed.
It's probably our bounty.
After this, I just
Oh,
want to...
I hear somebody next to me, right here.
Movement here. Take him out. Come on, John. Stay with it.
Dead. Just bleeding out.
Your team is in the safe zone.
I was.
Dude, I literally hit him in the head. I shot him in the head. I literally see him, he comes across, I flick, and I shoot him in the head. And I can't get a kill. You can't get, this game sucks. It's crazy. Like, give me the opportunity to get a one-shot kill. I'm gonna lose this. I don't even care, dude.
Yeah, I definitely have.
Jesus. Like, I hit him in the head. Dude, the no one-shot snipers makes me want to just jump off a bridge. I flicked on this dude and hit him in the head. 3 plates gone, and I get melted. It's so upsetting. Where was I? Goes here.
This way.
So naturally, I'm just gonna go pick up another sniper and then complain later.
You have that. I have money.
Black site is clear. All clear.
For what?
If you wanted to get that loadout gun, I could give you money.
I don't care. We'll get our loadout soon.
Yeah, I definitely have to restart my game.
For what?
Because it's skipping. It shouldn't though. Well, you're up on a roof? Wow, there's a lot of here I didn't even know.
Enemy UAV active. Hostile UAV in the area.
How much is a loadout?
Spawn protection. Spawn protection. I love that for me.
Not only can you not one tap, but they give. Oh, guys, next one.
Where?
One down, one down.
Where am I looking? Where am I looking?
South 156.
Okay.
I downed one. He's coming up the building.
Yeah, I left. You see him?
He got it.
Did you still have Goosh? Did you have
I may lose
Goosh?
'cause, yeah.
I'm sorry. I alt flipped forward. Oops.
Oh, look at these guys. Oh, he already. I can't even see him with a little head.
Alright, have a good night, Dirty.
That's it. You're out.
Oh, I'm done. Yeah, I already closed out the game.
All right. I'm gonna restart the game. I want to see how it is.
Alright,
I want
have a
to
good night, bro.
play more.
Yeah.
I can't believe. All right.
Later.
Have a good night, Lumber.
Oh man, I wanted to play that game, but he was having issues with his laptop, which is understandable, and I don't know. I gotta figure it out, but I'm gonna go to bed anyway. It's 2 in the morning, so again, hit or miss with the rest of the weekend. I don't know when I'll be on, but it'll probably be like some later streams. We got some single-player games lined up that I want to get out of the way, and then next week we'll hit back with the regular schedule, playing some stuff with everyone. Have a good day, everybody. Yeah, have a good weekend. I will see you hopefully tomorrow. I don't know. Later. Yeah.